Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and taking a look at the weather blog. Colder air is moving in, and the warmer air from the last several days is moving away. 9:30 in the morning, 26 at KCI, 25 St. Joseph, 16 in Lincoln, still 53 in Cape Girardeau, Missouri, but that is about to be history. As an Arctic air mass comes in, 6 below zero in Bismarck. Now, this is not as cold of an air mass as we had there the week before Christmas, but you're going to notice it, you're going to feel it. It is on its way. Also, we are tracking a chance for snow. So let's get into this. This afternoon, this computer model says around 30. The sun's going to be out, so it may rebound a little bit into the upper 20s, but not going to be easy to do. And overnight tonight, with a clear sky and a light wind, we're going to fall into the teens, if not around 10. This is by 3:15 in the morning. It's clear here, but look off to the northwest part of Kansas, western Nebraska. There's some clouds. Little bit of snow trying to form. A disturbance is starting to come out of the Rockies. So tomorrow morning we'll be in around 10 to 15 degrees for a low and still clear. As we go through the day tomorrow, we'll have an increase in the clouds so that by 4:30 in the afternoon it's still dry. So tomorrow morning's rush hour, tomorrow evening's rush hour are fine, but only in the low to mid-20s for tomorrow afternoon. And look at that snow from north of Concordia into western Nebraska. And this disturbance is aimed right at Kansas City as it really gets its act together at about 2 in the morning on Thursday. There's some light to moderate snow, and that pink might even be coming down at a fairly good clip for in a few spots for a short time. With temperatures in the teens and it being in the middle of the night, every single snowflake is going to stick to the roads, and it's going to move by. It's a small system. It's a fast-moving system. So look at this. By the morning rush hour, it's still snowing, 6:15 in the morning. We're still in it, but it moves out very quickly, 8, 9 in the morning. So basically from about 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. is the system, and temperatures will be in the teens. So that Thursday morning rush hour is going to be greatly impacted. Wouldn't even surprise us here if we had a few school closings. So how much snow are we expecting? As I said, it's a fast-moving storm, and some of our latest data has around 1/2 to 1.5 inches of snow in many locations, with the bullseye going right through the Kansas City area. Now, you could end up getting close to 2 in some spots, and close to, look at that, Emporia, 1/10 of an inch, Maryville, 8/10 of an inch, but right through the city there. You could see a 1 to maybe even 2-inch band. So we're going dusting to 2 inches right now, and even if it's a 1/4 inch of snow, it'll cover everything white and make it slick. That is just how this goes, especially when it's cold. There's not going to be much wind, so everything's going to get coated pretty quickly as we go into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. But it moves out fast, and by Thursday afternoon, we warm back up. So here's your forecast. It's going to be sunny this afternoon, but only 28 to 30 at 3 p.m., 26 at 5, on our way down to 10 degrees by tomorrow morning with just a few clouds. And as we look at our seven-day forecast, well, we'll look at that in a minute. But here is a 3D simulated version of tomorrow night. 7 p.m., you can see the snow off in the distance. And then look what happens as we go through the night. The low 20s, here comes the snow into the city, and it's going to be a pretty widespread event for our viewing area as we go through the night tomorrow night with temperatures around 20, falling into the teens, but not a lot of wind. However, it's going to make the roads slick, and since it's going to end right around the morning rush hour, the roads are going to be rather slick. It's going to be hard to get out. Yeah, it's going to be slick. You just have to take some extra caution. Again, there may be some school closings as well. Now here's a 7-day forecast. Wednesday and Thursday are cold, a low of 10 tomorrow morning, 12 on Thursday morning. Might be a little warmer with the clouds and snow. We might have to update that. And then Thursday morning is the snow, and then it ends. And then we go into a warming trend so that by Monday, 44, we could see 50s again by next week. So don't despair. This cold wave is about a 5-day event, and then it moves on. Have a great day, and thank you for joining the blog. We'll have another update tomorrow.